Don't say words that you yourself don't like to hear when someone else says them to you. The tongue of a wise person is behind his heart, while the heart of a fool is behind his tongue. Do not use the sharpness of your words on your mother who taught you how to speak. Honest people get three things: trust, love, and respect. There is no use for a helper who is always insulting or a friend who is always prejudiced. Sincerity of a person in accordance with the level of humanity. Know the truth, then you will know the people who are right. Righteousness is not measured by its people, but man is measured by truth. Whoever kindles the fire of slander, then he himself will be the fuel. Be generous, but don't be a spender. Be a simple person, but don't be a stingy person. I have tasted all the bitterness in life, and the most bitter is hope in humans. Patience is of two kinds: patience with something you don't want and patience with refraining from something you do want. Forgiveness is the best victory. Never feel ashamed to give even a little, because not giving at all will be of less value. Don't explain yourself to anyone, because those who like you don't need it, and those who hate you don't believe it. Harassment will continue to exist, not because of the large number of bad people, however, because of the silence of good people. Love is a disease that is no good and no reward. Just love your lover only, who knows later will become your enemy. And hate your enemies just to a minimum, who knows later they will become your lover. The body is cleaned with water. Sadness is washed away with tears. Reason is cleansed with knowledge, and the soul is cleansed with love. Let go of everything that makes you stressed and sad. The human heart is like a wild beast. Whoever wants to tame it, it will devour him. What is yours, will find you. Don't let your heart linger in sadness over the past, or it will make you never ready to face what is to come. Pay attention and be kind to your wife. She is a tender flower, not a slave to your household. Don't hate anyone, no matter how much they wronged you. I'm not as good as you say, but I'm also not as bad as you think. Love never asks to wait, because love just takes a chance or is about letting go. Women can hide love for 40 years, but can't hide jealousy even for a moment. If you are happy and remember someone, it means you love that person. If you are sad and remember someone, it means that person loves you. Ignore the pain, or else you will never feel happy. Rest assured, there is something waiting for you after so much patience that you have lived, that will leave you stunned until you forget how painful the pain is. Don't stop praying for the best for your loved ones. It is easier to turn mountains to dust than to plant love in a heart filled with hatred.